Let me tell you a simple story. It was a warm afternoon in a small community. A community health practitioner was on a routine home visit to see a young mother whose baby had been running a fever. She knocked gently on the door. No one answered. She knocked again. This time, the door opened just slightly. The mother stood there, tired, worried, and unsure. Her eyes said more than her words ever could. In that moment, before a single question was asked, before any thermometer was used, before any advice was given, a silent judgment was already forming. Not about medical knowledge, but about trust. The first 90 seconds had already begun. Whether the mother would listen, cooperate, follow instructions, or even welcome a second visit, would be shaped in those first moments. Because the first 90 seconds of any interaction can determine the entire outcome of the healing process. It is during these early moments that people decide, do I feel safe with you? Do I trust you? Will I open up to you? Many think clinical success begins with the right diagnosis. But in community health, success often begins with the first impression. It is not about pretending to be perfect. It is about showing that you truly care. The way you greet a client, the warmth in your voice, the respect you show entering their space, the way you look at them, not as a problem to fix, but a person to understand. These small actions speak louder than medicine. Because if the spirit is closed, the mind will resist, and the body may not respond. But if the heart opens, healing begins. The truth is simple. People don't remember every instruction you give, but they remember exactly how you made them feel in the first 90 seconds. Think about your own experiences. Have you ever met someone and instantly felt at ease, or instantly felt uncomfortable without them saying much? Clients feel that too. As a community health practitioner, you often step into people's homes, their privacy, their personal world. Those first moments are sacred. A gentle smile, a calm greeting, calling them by name, noticing their emotion, honoring their space. These actions build trust faster than any professional title. Because healing is not only science. Healing is relationship. And a relationship begins with connection. When your first 90 seconds are filled with respect, empathy, and genuine presence, something powerful happens. People open their hearts. They speak honestly. They share what they would normally hide. They listen. They believe. They follow your guidance, not because they are told to, but because they trust you. This is why some practitioners create transformation wherever they go, while others struggle even with the same qualifications. It's not always knowledge that makes the difference. Often, it is connection. So as you carry out your work, whether in a home, a clinic, a school, a farm, a market, or a busy city street, remember this. Your first 90 seconds with anyone is not a formality. It is a foundation that can determine whether your message enters their life or bounces off their walls. Treat those first moments with intention, not with rush, not with indifference, but with heart. Because the first 90 seconds are not about starting a consultation. They are about starting trust. If this message reflects the kind of healer you want to be, then you are not alone. Here at Community Health Chronicles, we are building a global family of community-driven healers, practitioners, students, and passionate minds who believe that health begins with humanity. If you believe in the power of connection, if you want to grow your impact in the communities you serve, then join this journey with us. Subscribe, share this with someone who serves in community health, and let's strengthen this movement. One story, one lesson, one community at a time. Together, we rise.